Hello! In this video, I'm going to give you a quick tour of the D2L site and show you its key features. To get to D2L, you'll start from the college's homepage here, oaklandcc.edu, and just click on this link up here at the top for D2L. And that will bring you to the D2L sign-in page. Go down and enter in the same username and password that you used to register for classes. When you log in, that brings you to this main D2L page. On this page, you can go over here right to where your name is, and this is where you can change a number of settings about your account. You can update your profile and give yourself a picture to identify yourself with. You can also answer questions and provide some information about yourself if you like. The notifications area is pretty important. So this is a good place where you can tell D2L how you want D2L to communicate with you. So you can tell it to text you when certain things happen or email you when certain things happen. That's good. So that way you don't miss anything that's happening on D2L. Once you have your settings the way that you want them to, then you can go to our course page. To do so, click on this waffle section here, and that will pull down all of the courses that you are in that have D2L pages. Our course is the topic Ancient Greece page. And this is our specific course page. On the front page of the site, there will be some announcements. So this section over here will always contain some kind of announcement about what is going on, as well as older announcements. Right now, there's this welcoming announcement, which just tells you about some of the basic things that you need for the course. There's an update widget over here, and that will tell you when new things happen on the site that you haven't done yet. And then there's a nice calendar widget too, which you can open and see all of the things that have due dates or other kinds of dates associated with them. That's a nice way to keep track of things. To navigate through the D2L site, you're going to use the navigation bar here and hop around through various links. The content area is important. When you first click on the content link, it gives you this overview, and the overview tells you to use the table of contents bar over on the left to navigate through content folders. The big folder that you're going to want to explore at the beginning of the semester is the Course Information Start Here folder. This is where you can get a link to the syllabus if you don't already have one. There's this very important page which gives you information about the books that we're using this semester. So there's information here about how to get the textbook, and also all of the different works of literature that we're going to be reading this semester and how to get to those. So make sure you read that page carefully so that you can be ready for class. There's also a page here about how to access the Zoom sessions that I'm running for class, a nice support and assistance page which has information about extra credit opportunities and other ways that the college can help you finish the course or address any problems that you might have. So good things there. The next tab over is the discussions area. And this is where you'll be doing your discussion board activity. There's a general forum with some basic things that you can use to introduce yourself. You can ask questions about the course, that kind of stuff. And this is also where you'll find the forums and the topics that you'll be using to post about the textbook reading. The assignments area, this is where you will turn in your assignments. You'll submit your assignments there. We don't do any quizzes, so you don't need that. And then the grades tab is what you use to keep track of the work that you're doing and the scores that you're receiving on all of your work. The other tools drop-down menu has the class progress feature, which is important, and then that's how you get to the surveys. This student services drop-down menu you can use to get to important places like the academic support centers, the library, or information about tutoring. If you would like to send me an instant message, you can use this envelope symbol here to use the D2L Instant Messenger. And then the bell symbol here tells you when there's some sort of alert, something that's happened to the site that's changed it, or a new assignment has been added, something like that. And then you use the course home page to come back to the front page. And that's all there is to it.